Hi, readers. Welcome back. Did you enjoy the first part of our mystery reading unit? I'm really having a great time, and I hope you're enjoying your books. Let's get started with some new work today. Are you ready? So, readers, when we last met, we asked ourselves these two important questions right at the beginning of our books. We asked, what's the mystery here, and who is the crime solver? Well, I want to add on to this because a reader of mystery, they try and solve the mystery before the detective does. And to do this, they pay close attention to clues. They try and study the story details that might be clues to figure out the mystery and even predict the solution. Let's try it. Let's read this part of chapter 2 from The Absent Author and think to ourselves, are there any details that might be clues? Okay, Dink raced into the book nook. Josh and Ruth Rose were right behind him. They found 3 seats behind Tommy Tomko and Eddie Carini. Those are 2 characters we've never met before, so I think I'm a little suspicious. I wonder if they might be suspects. Dink plopped his pack on the floor. The clock over the cash register said 3 minutes after 11. Where is he? Dink whispered to Tommy Tomko. Tommy turned around. Beats me, he's not here yet, and Mr. Paskey looks worried. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I think Mr. Paskey looks worried could maybe be a clue. I mean, if I think about like a strong prediction, I know I can think about what I already know from that character earlier in the story to help me predict, but I don't know much about Mr. Paskey yet, but I do know that in life, when somebody looks worried, it's usually because they're guilty. So I think we should jot this down as a clue to remember. Mr. P is one of my suspects. I think this because he is acting nervous, and suspects are often nervous when they are afraid of getting caught. Let's try it again. Are you ready? Okay, paying attention, close attention to any detail that might be a clue. Remember this part, this letter? Let's read it and think together. Are there any details here that might be clues? Dear Mr. Duncan, thank you for your kind letter. I'm so impressed that you've read all my books. I have good news. I've made arrangements to come to the book nook to sign books. I can use part of my time for research. Thanks for your picture. I'm so happy to finally meet one of my most loyal fans. Short of being kidnapped, nothing will stop me from coming. See you soon, Wallace Wallace. If you want to read it again, you can pause the video here or just do some thinking. What could be a clue? Were you thinking something like this? Short of being kidnapped, those words might be a clue. I predict he's missing. Wallace Wallace is missing because he was kidnapped. Oh my gosh, so crazy, right? Well, let's think about the work we know how to do as a mystery reader. We ask ourselves, what is the mystery here and who is the crime solver? We ask ourselves those questions at the beginning of every mystery book we read. And then we read paying close attention to clues. Before you stop the video and head off to independent reading today, make a quick work plan for yourself. Will you be sketching or writing or talking? No matter what you choose, find a way to record your thinking so you and your teacher can keep growing as readers. All right, everybody, happy crime solving.